Welcome the iconic 2015 BMW M3 in green. Opening scene, a long stretch of open road. The camera slowly zooms in on a stunning 2015 BMW M3 in metallic green. The engine purrs as the car sits at the edge of the road, ready to unleash its power. Narrator: the BMW M3, a name synonymous with performance, precision, and passion. And in 2015, BMW took this legend to new heights. But what happens when you wrap this engineering marvel in a vibrant green? You get a car that doesn't just perform up, it demands attention. Cut to a dynamic montage. The M3 cruising through a city at dusk, the green paint shimmering under street lights. Narrator: under the hood of the 2015 BMW M3 lies a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, producing an exhilarating 425 horsepower and 406 pounds-feet of torque. This beast goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, proving that it's not just a showstopper, it's a powerhouse. Cut to an interior shot. The driver grips the steering wheel, flicks the paddle shifters, and accelerates smoothly. Narrator: step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious yet driver-focused cabin. Premium leather, carbon fiber trim, and a digital instrument cluster make the experience nothing short of perfection. Every detail, from the bolstered seats to the intuitive iDrive system, is designed for maximum engagement. Cut to a winding mountain road. The M3 hugs the curves effortlessly. The exhaust note growls as the driver downshifts. Narrator: the real magic of the 2015 M3 is in the way it drives. The precise steering, adaptive M suspension, and near-perfect weight distribution make every twist and turn an adrenaline-fueled experience. Whether you're on the track or your favorite back road, this car makes you feel like a racing legend. Cut to a close-up of the green paint under sunlight, revealing its deep metallic flake. Narrator: and then, there's the color. Green, a bold, unique, and undeniably head-turning. It's a rare choice, but one that sets this M3 apart from the sea of blacks, whites, and silvers. It's a statement, a declaration of individuality. Cut to a high-speed highway shot. The M3 zooms past, leaving a blur of green in its wake. Narrator: this isn't just another sports sedan, it's an icon, reborn with modern technology and timeless BMW engineering. The 2015 BMW M3 in green isn't just a car, it's an experience, a thrill, and a legacy all wrapped into one. Closing scene. The M3 pulls into a sunset-lit driveway, the silhouette of its aggressive stance perfectly framed against the horizon. The camera slowly fades to black. Narrator: power, precision, passion. The 2015 BMW M3. Unleash the legend. And scene. Here's your script for the 2015 BMW M3 in green. Let me know if you'd like any modifications or additional details.